Hello and welcome. You're watching India Today and I'm Avantika. Well, we've just received some news about Smriti Irani getting additional charge of information and broadcasting. This after it was decided that Venkaiah Naidu is the government's choice for vice president. So that's the big news coming in there. Smriti Irani getting the additional charge of information and broadcasting. I have with me Maushmi Singh to talk a little bit more about this recent development. Maushmi, Smriti Irani's dramatic shift in position from HRD ministry to textile ministries had caused quite a lot of commotion, and this recent development, this announcement will also raise quite a few eyebrows, isn't it?
That's right. You know, this information has come right from the Prime Minister's tweet, where the PMO has tweeted that Smriti Irani has been given the additional charge of Ministry of Information and Broadcast. Now, that is an important ministry when you have a government that banks on its big-ticket schemes and publicizing its policies. So clearly, Ministry of Information and Broadcast was actually manned by Venkaiah Naidu, who is considered an astute politician, has been good with the media handling, and now Smriti Irani taking charge of the all-important portfolio does speak volumes about the great comeback that she has made. Because remember, earlier she was unceremoniously shifted from the HRD ministry and handed over the textile ministry, and now when Smriti Irani has been given this additional charge along with textiles, it does raise certain eyebrows. It will give the opposition parties a handful of opportunities to strike at Smriti Irani, but at the same time we've seen Smriti Irani extremely versatile, extremely vocal and extremely eloquent as far as debates are concerned. Yes. In fact, handling the media and replying in the media is concerned. So I think she'd be pretty good at a tit for tat.
And, the decision to remove her from the HRD ministry amidst all those controversies was seen as a demotion of sorts, Maushmi. But this bit of news will be, good news for her especially, and even as far as her career is concerned. What about the portfolio of urban development? Who has that gone to?
So clearly, yes, this was earlier when Smriti was divested of the charge of HRD. It was considered a demotion. But as I said, this is a comeback for Smriti Irani, and yet again the leadership has reposed its faith in Smriti Irani as far as information and broadcast and handling the media is concerned. Now, Narendra Singh Tomar, another senior minister, has been given the additional charge of Urban Development Ministry. Now, Mr. Tomar has been known for working silently. He's been doing well in his previous ministry, and thereby he has actually been rewarded with this additional charge. Remember that the Modi government has several schemes which are related to the Urban Development Ministry, including the Smart City scheme, and that's one reason that this is also an important portfolio to handle, and also shows that the leadership has faith in Narendra Singh Tomar in rewarding him the Ministry of Urban Development.
Whenever there's a cabinet reshuffle, Maushmi, like for example, when Manohar Parrikar chose to step down from the post of Defence Minister and Arun Jaitley getting, the responsibility of both of these ministries, there was always the criticism that the government faced for, having a weak bench strength. But it seems that this time the government wasting no time and deciding as to who really will be handling the two portfolios that Venkaiah Naidu was taking care of.
That's right. There were speculations rife that there would be a cabinet reshuffle on the cards with two important portfolios actually empty. But clearly the government has given additional charges to Smriti Irani and Narendra Singh Tomar, leaving no opportunity for the opposition to strike at the BJP government, saying that important portfolios have no minister. So clearly these two new ministers who would be handling the two new ministries will have a lot in hand to do. But on one hand, Venkaiah Naidu is charting on a new journey at about 68 years of age. So I think the government wanted to relieve him of his duties as soon as possible.
All right. We also have with us Managing Editor TVTN Rahul Kanwal to tell us a little bit more about this promotion for Smriti Irani. Rahul, what is your reading? Smriti Irani getting the additional charge of information and broadcasting Broadcasting after she was shunted out from the HRD ministry?
So there is technicality and there is politics. As a technicality, this isn't much of a promotion because she was HRD minister first. She went on to become textiles minister, and she's back now as a union minister for information broadcasting. The political dimension of this, Avantika, is that this is the end of a vanvas, as it were, for Smriti Irani. Because of the fact that the powers that be were not happy with her performance as HRD minister,
Yes.
and there was a sense that she was getting too big for her boots. The message was sent when she was moved out to the textiles ministry. The fact is, she's done well in the textiles ministry. From all the programs that have been that she's organized, most recently in Gujarat, to the general reaching out to weavers, to reaching out to designers, giving the textile industry in India a new thrust. At least she's been very active. Now, some of the results may take time to come, but she's been a very, very active and efficient minister. I think the fact that Venkaiah Naidu was being made vice president was seen as an opportunity to bring her back from that exile and to announce really to the world. I think the biggest headline really is that the Modi government is announcing that Smriti Irani's brief vanvas is over. She's back in the limelight. Now, the Information and Broadcasting Ministry is one of the key ministries of any government. Reaching out, setting the agenda, explaining government policy, finding ways of propagating it amongst people. Those are very, very important responsibilities. And understand also that Smriti Irani is a former media person herself.
Yes.
She understands the media space, the dimensions, the context much better than anybody else. And therefore, she's a good choice for this ministry, for the post that she's been given. And essentially, she'd be happy as well. She was slightly down, but she put up a good spirit and kept her chin up even after being moved out of HRD to textiles. And this really shows that, there's no full stop in politics. There's only a comma, and this comma now making way for a good promotion for Smriti Irani.
Right, Rahul and Moushami, thank you both for joining us and just getting us, your reactions on this news right now.